So, you are also from one of the countries that do not have any online payment facilities like debit card or credit cards. So you chose some XYZ company to order a MasterCard, but suddenly you got to know that you have been charged multiple times in the name of annual account maintenance charge and also annual fee of the card. Now you are screwed and pissed off. Yes, you guessed right. It's none other than the Payoneer. I know a couple of years ago I said you to use it, but I'm sorry for that. But this company keeps charging fees even if you are not using it, right? So whenever you add the balance, it will deduct all the fees first, then you can use this service. The services is very slow and so the support is. The main issue is hidden fees. Every time you receive money through the global payment option, you will have to pay 1% of the total amount. Next is unwanted annual account maintenance fee. Each year you have to pay around $29 for the account maintenance fee. And if you have a card, then you have to pay some extra dollars. So basically we can't rely on this. So what? We don't have a choice. Yes, you are right, but not anymore, because we have a perfect solution available now. Since you are a subscriber of Take Prakash, how could you not get the benefits? So hey guys, this is Prakash and you are watching Take Prakash YouTube channel. Let's start this video. So here is your solution. Yes, I know that you already have an idea about it. But there are a lot of changes have been made in Wise since then. Due to a lot of fraud and suspicious activities, Wise has limited its services to some countries only. Previously, it was working in many countries even though we were not able to get a debit card, but at least we had the bank accounts. But now, this is also not possible for many countries. However, you don't need to lose hope. Since I'm here, sit back and get relaxed. I have the working solution and I'll show you live how this works. So this is the account. It's a Wise account and it's fully verified. Now I can access this account from anywhere in the world. You can see there are several Visa cards available, and also there are a lot of features available for this card. And now you can also see there are a lot of transactions have been made through this account. There are Netflix, there are PayPal, there are Binance, and there are a lot of other transactions. So this card is perfectly working for every e-wallet and for every purchase, every type of transactions. In the other hand, I have a verified PayPal account in my hand. Also, this PayPal account is linked with the Wise card and the Wise bank account. So Wise is very useful for PayPal also. If you are planning to have a verified PayPal account, then Wise is your master key. So if you have a Wise bank account and card ready, then you can easily create your own verified PayPal account and you can link it with the PayPal. So you won't face any type of limitation or any type of issue in future. So that is it for today's video. Unfortunately, there is no tricks or tutorial to show you how to do that. Everything can't be shared over video because this makes things stop working in the future. But don't be upset. If you want this solution, then you know where to contact me. Yeah, you can always contact me through Instagram, takeprakash.com, or via this Facebook page, DMX. If you found this video helpful, then do share it with your friend or someone who might be looking for this solution. If you are new here, then please consider subscribing to our channel and turn on the bell notification. If you like this video, then give a thumbs up and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep watching Take Prakash YouTube channel. Goodbye.